Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the topic coupled circuit. And the two circuits are said to be coupled when energy transfer takes place from one circuit to other when one of the circuit is energized. The coupling may conductive, inductive or magnetic. When two coils are placed nearby and current passes through any one or both of the coils, they become magnetically coupled. Then the coils are known as coupled coils. If the coils are part of the circuit is known as the coupled circuit. The magnetically coupled circuits consisting of inductor or coils are called coupled inductors. First is the self-inductance. N is the number of turns carrying current I. Phi is the flux produced in vapor. If the current I through the coil changes, the flux phi also changes. By Faraday's law, change in flux induces an EMF in the coil. The induced EMF is proportional to rate of change of flux. So, self-inductance L equal to N pi by I. Self-inductance of the coil is defined as the flux changes produced in the coil per unit current in the same coil. The unit is Henry. Next one is the mutual inductance. N1 be the number of turns in coil 1. N2 is the number of turns in coil 2. If varying voltage source V1 is connected to coil 1, it produces the varying current I1. Varying current I1 produces the changing flux phi1. The mutual inductance is defined as the ability of varying current in one coil to produce an induced EMF in other coil. Its unit is Henry. Mutual inductance between the two circuits is defined as the flux changes in one circuit per unit current in the other circuit. So mutual inductance M is equal to N1 pi 21 divided by I2 or N2 pi 12 divided by I1. Next one is the coefficient of coupling or coupling coefficient, or it is called the magnetic coupling. Coefficient of coupling is defined as the fraction of the total flux produced by one coil linking the other coil. K is equal to pi 1 divided by pi 1 equal to pi 21 divided by pi 2. So coefficient of coupling K is equal to M divided by square root of L1 into L2. The value of K depends on the spacing between the coils. As the spacing increase, K is always positive and its maximum value is 1. The maximum mutual inductance occurs when K equal to 1 and so M maximum is equal to square root of L1, L2. The next one is the dot rule. For analyzing coupled circuit, coils are marked with dots. If both currents enter or leave the coil through the dotted ends of the coil, the sign of M is positive. If one current enters a coil through the dotted end and the other leaves the coil through the dotted end, then the sign of M is negative. Two coils of self-inductance L1 and L2 and having mutual inductance M between them can be connected in four different ways: series aiding, series opposing, parallel aiding and parallel opposing. Series aiding, current entering both the coils at the dotted terminals. Here L equal to L1 plus L2 plus 2M. And the series opposing, the self-inductance L is equal to L1 plus L2 minus 2M. In parallel aiding connection, inductance L equal to L1 L2 minus M square divided by L1 plus L2 minus 2M. In parallel opposing, L equal to L1 L2 minus M square divided by L1 plus L2 plus 2M. There are two types of tuned circuits are the single tuned coupled circuit and the double tuned circuit. The problem, first problem. Find the maximum value of mutual inductance of two inductively coupled coils with L1 equal to 100 millihenry and L2 equal to 25 millihenry. So milli means 10 to the power minus 3. In this problem, they asked maximum value of the mutual inductance. So we know the formula M max square root of L1 L2. We know the value L1 L2. So substitute the value, we get the answer M is equal to 50 millihenry. The next problem, find the value of effective inductance of the combination shown in figure. In this problem, the two self-inductance 3 heads and the 3 Henry and the 5 Henrys are connected in series. In 3 Henry, the current enters the dotted line of the 5 Henry coil, leaves the current. Hence, the two coils are connected in series opposition. So, we know the opposition formula L1 plus L2 minus 2M. In this problem, all the data are given. So, substitute the value, we get the answer 4 Henry. The next one is the two coupled coils with L1 equal to 0.02 Henry, L2 equal to 0.01 Henry and the coefficient of coupling K is equal to 0.5 are connected in 4 different ways: series aiding, opposing, parallel aiding and the opposing. What are the 4 equivalent inductance? First one is the series aiding. In this problem, we don't know the value of the M. To calculate the M by using the formula M is equal to K into square root of L1 L2. All the data are known. We calculate the value of M. The value is 0.007. In series aiding, we know the formula L1 plus L2 plus 2M. Substitute the value, we get the answer 0.044 Henry. In series opposing, we know the formula L1 plus L2 minus 2M. Substitute the value, we get the answer 0.016 Henry. In parallel aiding, the answer is 9.4 millihenry. In parallel opposing, the value is 3.4 millihenry. Thank you.